Hello student, today we will be solving the IB Math A HL May 2025 paper 1 time zone 2 question number 9. You will be getting the solutions for the first 8 questions from this paper and the solutions of the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A HL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve this question number 9. The maximum mark is 6. Prove by contradiction that 1 over x times 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 4, where x is a real number and x is greater than 0 but is less than 1. X is a fraction. Okay, so since we have to prove by contradiction, we will be starting assuming just the opposite. They are saying 1 over 1 minus x times 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. We will be saying that let it be less than, not greater than or equal to 0, sorry, greater than or equal to 4. We will be starting with the assumption that it is less than 4. Okay, so let 1 over, and we will be showing that it cannot happen. It is absurd. That is what we do for proving by contradiction. Okay. So 1 over x times 1 minus x be less than 4. They have taken greater than or equal to 4. I am taking less than 4. Okay. And x is a real number. X is between 0 and 1. Fine. And now we have to prove that this inequality is absurd. How to prove this? One way that readily comes to our mind is to try to solve this inequality and try to show that x is not any number which is between 0 and 1. Yes, that is one of the methods, no doubt about that. But how do we solve this inequality? Do we multiply both sides with x times 1 minus x? Yes, we can multiply by both sides by x times 1 minus x because they have said x is a fraction, it is less than 1. So, and it is greater than 0. So, x is a positive number. 1 minus x will also be a positive number. So, the product is a positive number. Hence, if we multiply both sides with x times 1 minus x, the inequality sign will not get changed. It will be staying as it is. So, we can write that 1 is less than 4 times 4x times 1 minus x. That we can write, definitely. And what happens then? So this gives us that 4x minus 4x squared is greater than 1. Okay? And if we subtract 4x minus 4x squared from both the sides, we get 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared is less than 0. Okay, and rearranging the terms rather, we can write this as 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 is less than 0. Okay, and this is 2x whole square minus 2 times 2x times 1 plus 1 square is less than 0. Okay, and we are having 2x minus 1 whole square is less than 0. Now we are seeing that a square number is less than 0. A square number cannot be less than 0. 2x minus 1 can, less than 0 means negative. 2x minus 1 can be less than 0, can be a negative number. If it is, say, x is 1/4. So 2 times 1/4 will be half. Half minus 1 is negative half. 2x minus 1 can be a negative number. If x is 3/4, 2 times 3/4 is 6/4. That is 3/2. 3/2 minus 1 is half, positive half. 3/2 is 1.5, minus 1 is half. So it is a positive number. So 2x minus 1 can be negative, can be positive. But 2x minus 1 whole square can always be a positive number or can be equal to 0. It can never be less than 0. Okay? So there is a contradiction. But a square number can be greater than or equal to 0. And, it is better. Yeah, I have written x is, because when we are multiplying both sides by this denominator, this part is important. This part allows us to multiply both sides by this denominator, because this ensures that x is a positive number and 1 minus x will also be a positive number. Okay, so can be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, there is a contradiction. So 1 over x times 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 4. 1 over x times 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 4 for x belonging to the set of real numbers and x is between 0 and 1. Okay, proved. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. It will be increasing my videos reach. It will be motivating me. It will be helping me in multiple ways. We meet again very soon when we will be solving question number 10 of the same paper. Till then, bye.